This is my 1963 Mark II GS 160. This is the scooter that I've always wanted to own. This for me is the epitome of the Vespa and epitome of style and power. She's still in the original paint, and all I've basically done is strip out the wire loom, cables and rebuild the engine. The engine is standard except for electronic ignition and a ported barrel and piston. I basically ride her every day. She's my everyday machine. It gets me to work and back, but she's also my melee machine. The melee is basically a 2-day scootering event for classic geared scooters where we travel 500 kilometers a day for 2 days, where there's no GPS, there's no maps except the maps that we've made for ourselves, and we carry our own tools. I ride around in a team called Team GS, where we've got 2 other GSs that we formate with and ride along with. So far she's competed in Queensland, Perth, South Australia, Victoria, and hopefully when COVID-19 is lifted in Tasmania 2021.